All right, so we're going to be doing some light scrapping today. I put the metal detector in the trunk, but man, the water's just high where I still want to go. And I haven't went to anybody's house yet to get some permission in fields yet. So what I'm doing is just going to be driving behind some businesses. And I already did that. I don't know if you could see the back there by that stop sign, right there. There's a couch, and then there's a little thing to the left where dumpsters are. Well, there's no dumpsters no more. There's a TV sitting there, so I cut a cord. So I got a cord off a TV. So let's go hit some more areas. All right. Let's go in behind these buildings here and see what we can find for some scrap. Let's see. Well, hell yeah. Dang it. There's a stove right there. Oh man, this pickup truck thing is starting to eat at me. Dang it. That would have been mine. Got a dumpster. It's free public waste. Jeez, oh Pete. Man. I think I see some metal over here, but let me back up and take a look real quick. Man, I think it's like angle iron steel or something. Let me go see. Okay, this is ridiculous. I could be having a hell of a scrap day already. I wonder how long them sunkers would be. Yeah, I'm gonna have to find out. I'll get back with you. It is there definitely way longer than my car, because I was thinking about putting the seats down, shoving them all the way up to the front here, but let them hang out the trunk, but they'll be hanging out the trunk like over 5 feet. Can't have that. There's 4 pieces of angle iron, probably about 20 feet long down there. And one piece probably about 4 feet long, which, you know what? I'm going to get that. I'll be back in a second. Well, I grabbed it. It's right here. All the way up to the middle of my seats, all the way through to the trunk. So, it's a mine. All right, let's keep looking. So I'm getting inside a dumpster right now, getting some stuff out. Cleanup time. So this is actually what we got going on. This is the dumpster we're getting in. And there's not much left now. I've already gotten the metal out. Here's what I've actually picked up. So there you go right there. Lots of copper, conduit, ceiling hangings. So we're gonna keep getting it. We cleared it out. All that's left is drywall, wood, and plastic, a little bit of insulation. So let's move on to the next. I saw a TV over here, so I'm gonna go see if there's a cord on it. Hey, it looks like there is, or else I'm just seeing things. Nope, I'm seeing things. They cut it. Oh, while we're here. Oh, that is a mess. One that I'm not going to get into. Yeah, not going to do it. Not today. All right, well, let's go on to the next. Construction dumpster. Let's see what we got. Nothing. Nothing. Jeez, oh Pete. Alright, on to the next. I just got permission to get in this dumpster that I just already pulled a few pieces out, but I need to get the door open to get the rest out. So we got permission to get in this dumpster. Alright. So I'm gonna park on this side. I'm gonna try to squeeze up in there. All right, I'll get you guys back on. I'm gonna get this camera mounted on the back of the car somehow. We'll see. what you call all access. Alright folks, here we go. And I just picked that up in the parking lot. Okay. Let's get some more metal. Gotta go inside there a little bit and get the rest. Ooh, don't step on that. just hate to see this metal go to actual landfill.
I'm sorry. If I know that, I give it to you. I don't even put it there. Hey, you wanna come in here and take a look?
Sure will.
Time and
give me a buzz anytime. Perfect. Shoot me a text real quick. I'll program your name.
I just called you.
Oh, you did? Okay.
Yeah.
I'll program it from there.
All right.
All right. Well, I appreciate it. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. Just lock for me the door when you're done.
Oh yeah, sure will. I'll make sure it's all cleaned up and everything.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
You too. So I just met that guy, and I just got the scrap dream of a lifetime here. He's opening a nail salon right here. It's a big place too, but he's doing 2 more. So he's gonna be giving me a call when it's time to, well actually, he's got a bunch of lights in here that he's gonna need to get out. So when the electrician pulls them out and sets them aside, he's gonna give me a call to come get them. Yes, we just got the hookup on this scrap. Whew. And he's opening up 2 more. The city's really close to here. I'm telling you what, it just pays to ask somebody. Just go in and ask, it doesn't hurt. What's the worst they can say? No? So what? So yeah, we just got the hookup. Here we go. Well, let me get this in the car, and then I'm actually gonna take this to the storage unit. I'm not dumping this off today. No, I'm not gonna dump it off today. But we're gonna have some fun. Let's go do this. All right, I'm gonna get back to you guys later when we're cruising around. When I maybe unload at the storage unit. Stick with me. So I just got done getting all the metal I can out of this dumpster. So I pretty much cleared it out. All that we can see though, I mean, that's the bad part. So here we go. This is what my car looks like now. I had to put the other back seat down up front. So got it shoved in through the side here, going through the up forward. And we're gonna go drop this off at the storage unit because I'll be doing some scrapping this weekend. in this coming week. Yes, we are. All right, get back with you in a little bit here. All right, so never mind this mess. Never mind that phone falling down. So we're actually moving here in about 2.5 weeks. So we've got a mess going on. That's for sure. All right. Figured all these ceiling pieces, we'll just put right in this. That'll kind of be an easy way to keep the scrap a little bit organized. Craziness, I'm telling you. So yeah, that was absolutely nuts. That guy came out and asked me to go in his place and then said, he said, all the light fixtures are coming out of here. And if you want them, you can have them. He said the electrician's gonna be taking them down and just putting them in the back room. I was like, yeah, I'd be glad to take them, you know, shoot. So I'm getting all the rest of the metal from that building. He's going to save for me all the light fixtures. And he said he's opening up 2 more nail salons. So we're going to keep winning at that, you know. What a win. And all I did was go in and ask him if I can get more metal out of his dumpster and open the door to it. I was super polite, you know, thank you. And that's when he came outside and asked me to come look inside his shop. How perfect. Man, I already can't wait to go scrapping more. That got me all pumped up. It's crazy. Crazy, I say. Boy, it's the little things in life that you get excited about. Just the little things like that, huh? All we're doing is scrapping. Help saving the earth a little bit at a time. That's it. But it's a big deal. We have to live here. It's a big deal. And this heavy piece of sheet metal, good Lord. This sucker's got a little bit of weight to it. Get it in there. And then this conduit that I got. When we move out of here, I'm gonna look into about downgrading to like a 5x10. That's really all I need for a little bit of storage and some scrap. Yeah. Look at this piece of angle iron. Look at this sucker. And I found 4 more of these, probably anywhere from 16 to 20 feet long. I got an oven. We found that oven. It was behind a Planet Fitness. We gotta go back and get them things. But I'm about to get my buddy's truck to do that. He's got a real nice rack on the top of his truck. He can definitely haul that stuff. And I got some copper wire out of another dumpster. Good stuff. Copper! Look at that. I mean, we ended up getting quite a bit of copper. And even thicker pieces like this. Look at that one. That's crazy. But let me look at this copper right here. Look at all that Bear Bright in there. Yeah. And then the Romex. And we're gaining copper. And we're actually gonna save this. We're gonna hold on to this. Seems like every time I get a little bit of wire and I cash it in, I always seem to get around $9 for it. For a little bitty load I always take in. So I'm gonna hold on to it. We're gonna hold on to it. We're gonna be traveling up north of Indiana when we go pick up my daughter for the summer, and we're gonna save up all the scrap money that we're gonna make, and we're gonna see how much we can actually get, and then we're gonna do a little something fun with the kids with the scrap money. So that's a nugget. But man, I was just pulling this copper out, yanking it out of there. Like I'm yanking it out of the truck right now. Trunk. I'm yanking out of the trunk. I wonder why this is all stripped like this. I mean, must have been doing some crazy wiring. Usually you don't find it all stripped down like this. Because this was right in the construction dumpster, just like this. Oh yeah. Whoop. I'm like tossing copper now. tossing copper. And oh man, just it keeps it coming. And I don't mind that. I mean, who would? Nobody's gonna mind. Bring on the copper. Man, I think I got it all. Oh, no. A few more pieces. I mean, it's actually getting to be too much for my hand. I can't hold it. I got big hands, but good Lord. Okay, I keep finding it. Not like that's a bad problem to have. I mean, seriously, look at that. It's in my hand. I think, oh no, here's one more piece. Okay. I think I got it. Now let's wrap her up. Hey, look at that. Is that a nugget or what? That's a thick. I mean, that weighs, that's got to be a couple pounds. Easy. Easy. And then I ran into this stuff. That's not a bad problem to have. That's all stranded right there. This is a 6 gauge. Couple of long pieces. Oh, no. Here's another piece. Here's another good piece. And then ran into some bare aluminum. And actually, this is aluminum with copper in it that I'm going to pull out. So then we've got our Romex. We've got our Romex, we've got our solid core. Look at this. And then, what I thought this was gonna be copper, but it wasn't. Look at that. Look at that aluminum. This is 1 gauge. Yes, it is. And I have a major chunk of it. How do you like that? A major chunk of 1 gauge. Yes, sirree. Whew. That's nuts. And then this Romex. Romex. And this is not a bad problem to have either. Love Romex. Love it. Can't get enough of it. Want some more of it. Alright, I'm going to end this video here because I hear a train coming and I'm sure you probably hear it in the background. We'll get you guys some train footage for a second here. Yeah, the locomotive. All right. You guys behave. Have a great day. I'm gonna finish up cleaning up here, and then I'm not sure if I'm gonna shoot a video tomorrow delivering. I think tomorrow I might have a long day. I'm not hoping so, but either way, I'll see you guys over the weekend because I'm gonna do some scrapping then too. Hang with me, and see you soon.